let's look at today's moral class content, and I'm gonna do the Chinese character teaching first. Again, remind everyone we have flat, up, down, and up, and down. The 4 tones of Chinese characters. So the first Chinese character, that's how I write it. Okay. So this is called 正. This is a very beautiful word. 正.
正.
正. 正. You see, it's very, very, when you look at this word, you know, it's very righteous, you know? It's righteous. Okay, righteous. Straight. Okay. 正.
正.
Next word is even more powerful and beautiful. This is the key for human being to learn. It's called the Dao.
道.
Dao. Dao means the way. The way. 知. 知.
知.
Off. Okay. 始. 始.
始.
始. If it's used as a name, it means a messenger. You know, like ambassador. It's called 大使. Okay. Ambassador 大使. Okay. 使者 messenger. 命. Mo. 因. 命. 命. 命 means life. Sometimes means an order. If you say 命令, it basically means an order, okay? Sometimes means order. Okay. But it really means life. 使命 together, when they are together as a phrase, it means mission. Okay. So here they're together, it means mission. Okay. Sacred mission. So 正道之使命 basically means the mission of righteous Tao. Mission of righteous Tao. 正道之使命. Okay. Now here, that's 重. It has another way to write it. Just want to say that sometimes people see it like that. Same thing.
重.
Both are correct. It's called a 重. 重 means a group. Group. Okay. 人 means human. Human being. 人. Okay. Again, 知 off. 正 again, this word. 正
正.
righteous.
正.
Righteous. 行 行
行.
action. Okay. So 众人之正行。众人 means the sentient beings, human beings, all the human beings of 正行, righteous action. You know, a lot of times people believe that the Tao is only a teaching, but this morality, moral lesson is telling you that only righteous teaching is not enough. Only to learn the righteous teaching is not enough. You also need to have righteous action.
Yeah.
Righteous teaching will lead to righteous action. But if you only learn righteous teaching and don't practice it, there is no righteous action. So when you follow the righteous way, you also need to put into practice. Don't just talk about it. Don't just be a scholar of it. You need to put it into daily action.
Yeah.
Without daily action, doesn't matter how righteous the teachings are. It doesn't do anything. Because ultimately it is the righteous action that leads to merit, leads to virtue. And only when the human beings have merit and virtue, human beings can be delivered to higher realms. What people call heaven, right? Yeah. Buddha talks about heavenly kingdom. Jesus talks about heavenly kingdom. Lao Tzu talks about, the Tao, paradise, right? The human being, if they follow certain religion of righteous way, sometimes the righteous way is delivered in the religious format. There are many different schools of spirituality and the religious format. They all, most likely, if teaches people to be kind, to be honest, to understand that suffering has a meaning. And when people treat you bad, don't treat other people bad. Don't steal, don't kill, don't do adultery, right? Don't do things that are immoral. All the righteous teachings, all the righteous spiritual ways, if they focus upon teaching people to be good, then the people, if they follow those teachings, they will start to be righteous in their action. If the teaching tells people, you can kill yourself to elevate into certain paradise, follow me, let's, all die at one time, and then we're going to elevate into heaven, it's not righteous, because the action is evil. It may tell you beautiful things, but the action is committing a horrible sin of, killing life. So those are definitely already evil religions, right? So here the moral is saying that, righteous way, there is a mission. And in the human world, it manifests into leading people to do righteous action, to do good things. But the ultimate mission for the Tao, the way that Jesus teaches, that Buddha teaches, and Lao Tzu teaches, or other great spiritual teachers teach, they don't only limit to tell people to do the right thing. Not only that, the mission, the true mission of righteous way, this is about morality. There's nothing wrong with it. In moral teaching, it is true. All the righteous ways manifesting in the human world is to help people to have righteous action. It's the correct way of saying it. But I want to point out that, for the spiritual practitioners, many spiritual schools, they also understand that the mission, the true mission of righteous way, is to let people know and are guided by truth of the universe at different levels. So when you say righteous action, what means righteous? Okay, what is the righteous action for different levels? of spiritual practitioners following the righteous way, it has different levels of righteous actions too. So its righteous action is only a manifestation of the righteous way that an individual understand and then start to elevate to that level, and that person will start to manifest the action. That action is called a righteous action. So righteous way naturally will guide people to do righteous action, and the righteous action is just a result of the truth. But the true mission though, why the righteous way want to lead the people to have righteous action? What is the purpose? What is the mission of the righteous action? Righteous action leads to the accumulation of merits. The merit will accumulate to pave the path of elevation. So the righteous way, the reason it's called a way is a path. What kind of path? It's not about the path of being happy in the human world. Remember that. Righteous way is a path of going up and beyond humanness. All the righteous paths are leading people going up, not leading people to just happy life in the human world. Sometimes people challenge, say, what do you mean? Are there more things than human world? Yes, human world is very low. Human world is the lowest in the universe. And a human being, if do not follow the righteous way to be good, and then the goodness pave the virtue to elevate, it's not called the righteous way. So it's not called the righteous action either. Any action that can lead to the accumulation of merit, the merit will be a material to pave the path of elevation. That's the energy. That's the fundamental energy to lead mankind to higher plane where our spirit originally comes from. That is the true mission of all righteous ways in the human world. That's pretty deep. We'll continue in the future.
Okay.